Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, man. I don't know where my gloves. Where'd my gloves go? Oh well. Let's check it out. This is what we're dealing with. I don't think this is supposed to be like this. I don't know. I could be wrong. I don't know. Yeah. Going down the road here. And that was it, man. It just like quickly overheated on me. Oh yeah. Coolant everywhere. I don't know if this is not cooled down enough yet. Yeah. I don't know, man. Yeah. This looks like a I don't know what's going on here. I don't know, man. This truck has been nothing but problems. But yeah. It's good stuff, right? Yeah, I don't know what to say. Quality mechanics. This is what you get. I don't think all these wires are supposed to be going down here like that. I don't know. This thing is yeah. So it's about 12 o'clock. Oh yeah, and I'm missing the cap for the windshield washer that they don't supply. Anyway, so we're just hanging out. Let's go back inside where it's nice and cool. So, US 19, Crystal River, and all the low bugs just hanging out. Man, I was up for a good day, man. I was probably another 20 miles down the road on the way to dump this one when all this happened. And it's only just a little bit after 12 o'clock noon, and I was on track to have a really good day, man. I could have gone back and could have got 5, possibly 6. You know, that's pretty good. Not now. So I don't know how this works. If they're sending somebody like a mechanic or one of our mechanics, or I don't know. Because either way, where they're coming from, it's even if they left right now, you know, it's going to be like an hour, hour and a half, unless they got a hold of somebody like a repair shop. But I doubt that. The way these trucks are holding together, I don't think they're paying anybody. They're doing it themselves. So I don't know. Guess we're just gonna sit here and watch traffic go by. There we go. Take a little snooze. That's all there is to do. And stay hot. We're gonna stay hot. Yeah. Gotta make sure I stay cool. I'd hate to run into that Porsche back there. That done just ruined your day. Come on, baby. We'll kind of talk about what's going on. Once I can get going here. Come on, buddy. I want to slow down. the mess. New belt. A couple zip ties later, it wreaked havoc inside there. Topped off the coolant and everything was all right. And he said, and I, because I had told him what happened earlier today. It was, smelling like coolant. And so we were looking, didn't see no leaks or nothing. So we get going. He says, "Well, just fire it up and see what's going on." I mean, as soon as I turned it on, he just like, "Turn it off, turn it off." There was oil all over the place. I guess the fan wrapped, and the belt got around the fan, and I don't know if it broke one of the bearings or broke one of the seals. So yeah. So he calls the main, head honcho guy, that in charge of the maintenance and everything, and tells him what's going on with the truck, and he says, he says, "Tell the guy to take it back to the yard." He's like, "Well, he's under a load. Take it back to the yard." So, alrighty then. So he gives me a gallon of oil and a gallon of coolant. It says, "Head back towards the yard. If there's any problems, give me a call and we'll have to come right back out." So right now I gotta call dispatch and let them know what's going on, that they want me to go back to the yard and that dump. So, which is crazy because I'm going right by the place. So, hey, they're the boss. They can figure it out. If they tell me to go dump it, then we're gonna go dump it, So let me head. I gotta give them a call, so I'll let you guys know here a little bit.